This is George Mahali, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up the Emart ring light, EMSRL10. It's a 10-inch ring light, and it costs about $26 on Amazon.com. And I'm going to show you how to set it up from start to finish. In the box, you're going to find a bunch of stuff, but really we're only going to use two things for the purpose of this tutorial. The two things that you're going to need are the ring light and the light stand. Everything else you can just put aside for now. Step number one, we're going to connect the ring light to the light stand. To attach the light stand to the ring light, you're going to bring them together, and you'll find that the base of the ring light has a little hole on the base of the ball head, and the screw at the top of the light stand, you're going to rotate into the ball head. Make sure it's nice and snug. Shouldn't be moving around. One other thing you might need to do is tighten the ball head screw so that's not moving around freely as well. Next, we're going to extend the legs at the base of the light stand. To do that, you might need to loosen the screw at the base of the light stand and then work the legs out. And once you've got them as wide as possible, you'll go back to that screw and tighten it. We want to tighten the screw at the base of the light stand's legs so they don't collapse. When we're thinking about the best position for the ring light, we want the ring light to be positioned so that our eye line is aligned with the center of the ring light. The next thing you need to think about is, are you going to be sitting or are you going to be standing when you're recording your video? Because we want the center of the ring light to be aligned with our eye line, if you're sitting, you'll have enough of a height adjustment in the light stand to get the ring light to the appropriate height. If you're standing and you're taller than, say, 48 inches, you'll need to put something either underneath the light stand, or you'll need to put the light stand with the ring light on top of a table and bring the height to wherever your eye line is aligned. The other thing to consider regarding the position of the ring light is that it needs to be behind the camera. So if you're using a webcam on your computer, you're going to have to place the ring light behind the computer. If you're using your phone, you'll put the ring light behind your phone. I'll show you a before and after with the ring light set up as a light for the webcam on my laptop. But for the purposes of the explanation in this part of the tutorial, I'll keep the ring light in the view of the camera. The next thing that we'll need to do is plug in the USB cable of the ring light into a USB port. A USB port that you could use could be the USB port on your laptop, or it could even be a USB charger cube that comes with a cell phone. This ring light doesn't require a lot of power, so anything that you plug it into that takes a USB cable will work. We've gone ahead and plugged the USB cable from the ring light into a power source, either a computer USB port or what I'm using is the iPhone charger. And on the cable that connects to the ring light, you'll find you've got a little control switch with 4 buttons. The button all the way at the bottom is the power button. When I press that on, it turns the light on. Above the power button is a minus symbol button, and the minus symbol decreases the brightness of the light. All the way at the top, you've got a plus symbol, and the plus symbol increases the brightness of the light. In between the plus and minus buttons, you're going to have a button that has 2 arrows that go in a counterclockwise rotation. That button toggles the light between the 3 different light modes that this light has. The 3 different light modes that this light has are white light plus yellow light, and then yellow light. If you're filming during the daytime and you're by a window and you have window light coming in, the window light is going to be white. It's also called daylight. If you're filming in an environment where you have a lot of yellow light bulbs, it's also called tungsten, then you're going to want to be in the yellow light mode. And if you're filming in an environment that has what's called mixed lighting, so you have daylight coming in through your windows and daylight is white light, but you also have in your environment yellow light bulbs that are turned on, then you're going to want to use the white light plus yellow light mode. Now I'm going to demonstrate the ring light with my 2015 Apple MacBook Pro and the Apple MacBook Pro webcam. And I'm going to turn off all of my studio lighting that I normally use to film these videos. And the only lighting that I will use in the demonstration is going to be the light that's in the room, which is a yellow light or tungsten light bulb, and the ring light behind the Apple MacBook Pro webcam. So this is the 2015 Apple MacBook Pro webcam with no lights turned on. This is the 2015 Apple MacBook Pro with the room light turned on. This is the 2015 Apple MacBook Pro webcam with the ring light turned on, and the ring light is currently set in the yellow light mode or the tungsten light mode, and the brightness of the light is almost at full intensity. That's it for this tutorial about the ring light. I think it's a great affordable light option for anybody who's looking to bring a little bit of flattering light onto their face with a nice, inexpensive, easy to use ring light. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, put a smiley face into the comments, and subscribe to the channel. That's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.